In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Hostinger domain. So whether you're setting up a personal blog, an online store, or your very own website, it all begins with securing your domain. Let's dive into the step-by-step process together to make this a breeze. First things first, head over to Hostinger's website. Simply open your web browser and type in the URL to get there. Once you've accessed the site, you're going to look for the Services button. It should be somewhere easy to see on the homepage. Give that a click and you're on your way. Next, within the Services menu, you'll see an option titled Domain Name Search. This is where the magic happens. Go ahead and click on that. It's here that you'll be able to look up potential domain names for your new website. Now, think about the domain you desire. Consider something catchy and easy to remember, because a good domain name can significantly impact your website's success. Once you have an idea, type it into the search bar provided. After typing in your desired domain, hit the search button to see if it's available. If your first choice is taken, don't fret. There will be alternative options listed below that you can consider. You'll see other available domains that might suit your needs. Browse through and see if any of these other suggestions resonate with you. When you've decided on a domain that is available, click on Buy Now. You'll be directed to a new page to configure the specifics of your domain purchase. Here you'll find an option labeled Period. By clicking here, you can choose how long you want to own this domain, whether it's for 1 year, 2 years, or maybe even 5. Adjust this according to your needs and budget. After selecting the period, click on Continue. Now it's time to log in. Enter your email address and password. If you don't have an account, you might need to create one at this step. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to a page to enter your billing information. Fill out these details carefully, as this is crucial for completing your purchase. Once the billing information is in, click Continue. You'll see a section to input your payment information next. Carefully fill in these details, as this step finalizes your transaction. After double checking everything, hit Submit Payment. And that's it. You now own a domain through Hostinger, paving the way for your new online venture. Thanks for joining me today, and happy domain hunting.